Welcome back to the tutorial, and right now what we are going to do is we are going to create the product details activity. That is, whenever the user clicks on a product on home page, it should take him to that activity so he can purchase, he can add that product to the cart. That is, whenever the user in home activity clicks on specific product, that is if it is chicken or pizza, and he can just go to the product details activity and he can just add it to cart and he can make a purchase. So right now we can do that right now. So right click on it, new, it is an activity, and we can create an empty activity. We can create product details activity. Yeah, right now it's fine. Create it, and yeah, it's now syncing our project. Make sure the internet connection is on. Sometimes it may download some files from the internet, so make sure it is on. Yeah, our graded build is synced successfully, and right now we can import this R class. It's being imported, and right now we can design it. So for designing this, what we will be having is first let us change this to scroll view. Yeah, scroll view is way better, and right now we can design it. For designing, we can just do a thing. We are just going to display the items. For that, what we can do is we can go to layout, and we have product item layout, which is this one, and we can display in this format itself. That is, we can display it like this. So what we like to do is just copy this, copy it, and we can paste it in right here. Yeah, it is perfect. And we need only text view because we will be generating the, that is, we will get the description everything from the Firebase. Let me show you guys. Our app is shop hub, and right now it was just a notification, and we need to go to database, and here we can see the admin, not admin, it is user. Yeah, here we can see the user, and I have uploaded the in previous tutorial the settings activity, so we can see the address, and the name also changed from Sheshu to Sheshadhree, and I have uploaded the pin code also. It is somewhat anything, and what we'll be doing is we will be getting the, you'll be getting the description, price, name of the product, and duration to delivery and usage and weight here, and will be of a particular product, and we will display it right here. And what we need to do is let me say you guys, is there anything remaining? Yeah, everything is right here. We have 7 items, and now what we will be doing is we need to add a quantity. That is, if the user want to purchase a product for more than once, that is 2 items or 3 items, you need to add it right here. Before that, what we can do is, it is in scroll view, I hope so. Yeah, it is in scroll view, so it's no problem, and we need to add a button. And for that button we can just go here, and I'll provide the link in the description, or I'll provide it in the course. And this is the link, androidarsenal.com details /1/4136. And here what we are going to do is we are going to add the elegant number button sample, which is like this. Here we can just add it, or say it will be going from 0 1 2 3, and it is a quantity button. So we can, to implement this, we need to copy this implementation. Just copy it, and I have already pasted, as I have said before, we have pasted all the dependencies for this project, and here we have pasted it right here. And what we want to do is, instead of this compile, just replace it with implementation. If you have not done it, just do it, and you can sync the project, and it will just add to the project. And here we have the elegant number button, some Java class, and we have everything right here. If you need, you can read everything. We can see the initial, we can set the initial number of the for the button, final number, text color, text size, and background color. We can add the background for the button, and we have some three methods, and if you need, you can change everything. So if you need, you can change it. And right now what we can do is, it is let me save. Under this we can add the button with which is elegant button. Yeah, the width can be 150 dp, and height can be also 100 dp. Now it is good. And what we can do is, and I think the height should be 150 is good. Holy shit, it's going. The height can be of wrap content. Yeah, wrap content is good, and the text size you can keep it as text size is 20. It's 20 is so big, so let us keep it as 13 sp. Yeah, text size is good, and we have the text color as the white color, and we need to set the initial number. Initial number is 1, that is the user needs to buy at least one product. And the final number we can keep it whatever you want, and I'm going to place it as for bulk orders, so we can place it as 10,000, or you can keep it as like whatever you want. You can user can purchase a 1 lakh product of same item, that is 100,000, and we can send it to what it is, horizontal, center horizontal, and it is not working. It is gravity to center. You can send it to center. And what else we need is, I think that's all we need, and we need to add to cart button. So instead of this linear layout, we can change it to relative layout. Let it be relative layout, and it's showing these many errors. So better linear layout, linear layout. And now for this, what you can do is, yeah, everything is fine right now, and we can just align some margin top for each of the things, that is each of the widgets. Margin top should be 10. It is so high, so we can 10 dp is good. You can just copy it, and for image view also it is 10 dp, and we need to paste it for everything. Just paste it for everything so it won't be congested. We want the users to get a seamless experience, so we can just do it like this. And we need to add one more button also, that is add to cart button. So we can add a simple button right here. This button of with this match parent, not wrap content, it is match parent, and the height is wrap content. And for this button, what we can do is we need to give the ID for everything. We have forget the ID. So yeah, for this, the ID can be hmm, product. It is item product name. We can just we need to give a unique ID because it's already used. We can give it as item product name, and let it be item product name whichever thing is item. The task is it should be of unique ID. So whatever you need you can give, but make sure to keep in mind which we are using where, because there are so many widgets right now we are using, and we will use still lot more widget. So just keep in mind. So just keep in mind what we are doing. It's item, and for this we have not given an ID. So let us give an ID of item product quantity. Yeah, it is good right now, and we can give this margin top of 10 dp. And what else we can have is, and it is in scroll view, we can give some margin, that is margin 10 dp. Yeah, it will be 10 dp inside, so we can have only this much. And we have this as 400 dp, I hope so. Yeah, 400 dp is fine. And now after that we need to pass the ID, and the ID will be add to cart button. Let it be ID. And the text we need to specify it as add to cart. Text all caps is false, and we can keep it as false. And our button is here, and we can keep the background as button, and our button is right here. It is beautiful, and we can keep the margin also. Margin should be 30 dp. 30 dp is very good. I hope so. Yeah, it is now looking good. Yeah, it is now good. And now text color is white. It's not taller. It is white. And what else do we need is, that's it, I hope so. And what text color we have is, we have the color primary dark for everything, and the text is, yeah, it is now good. So what we have did is we have just designed the product details activity, and it is showing an error. What it is, oh yeah, tag is not closed, we need to close the tag. Yeah, that's it guys for this tutorial. We have completed the product details activity in the next tutorial what we can do is we can do this product details activity for Java, and instead of this, yeah, it is now perfect. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.